Hello and welcome. In this video, I will teach you to use ChatGPT, assuming that you are a complete beginner to the topic. In this video, you will learn to get information on all these topics. Alright? So without further delay, let us go to the website and start learning ChatGPT. Go to google.com and search ChatGPT and go to the first website, which is from openai.com. In this web page, click on Try ChatGPT. And now you have to either sign up or log in. If you are a new user, then click on sign up and follow the steps to sign up. If you have already signed up, then just click on login and proceed. Okay, I already have an account, so I will log in here. Alright, so once you log into ChatGPT, this is what you will see on your browser. Here you have a new chat option, and down below on the left side you have options related to your account. Okay, so I'll not get into this right now. Now, here you have an area where you have to enter the prompts or requests. Okay, requests to whom? To ChatGPT. Alright, now before you enter a prompt or ask something, you must assume that ChatGPT is a person. Alright, it is a human being. Even though it is an AI, you need to assume that it is a person and then write the prompts. Okay, so let us start with the first prompt, in which I will ask questions about black hole. Let us say that I want to know what a black hole is, and I want to ask this person, ChatGPT, what a black hole is. So here I will enter what is a black hole. Okay, so when I enter what is a black hole, ChatGPT will gather all the data that it knows about black hole and give me the answer to it. Okay, so here you can see that it is typing in or giving me the answer to the question, what is a black hole? Now let me wait for a few seconds till it finishes giving me the answer. So it has given me this. Let us say that I read this and I do not understand it. What I can do is I can continue asking questions or continue giving prompts. Now when I give it a prompt, it will remember this question. Okay, it will remember this question and it will assume that I am asking a follow-up question. Alright, so let us say that this answer is very complicated and I want a simple answer. So I will say, explain it to me like I am 5 years old. Okay, so explain it to me like I am 5 years old. So I am saying ChatGPT that this is very complicated answer, I am not able to understand it, so explain it to me like I am a 5 years old kid. Alright, so here it gives me the answer to what a black hole is in a simple way. So you can see, imagine a monster in space that is so big and heavy that nothing can escape from it, and you can see this. Alright, now this was my second question. I can continue it. I can ask, has anyone been to a black hole? Alright, a silly question, but I want to know the answer. Okay, has anyone been to a black hole? So ChatGPT gives me an answer to this. No, no one has ever been to a black hole. Alright, so this is how you can ask follow-up questions to get answers about a topic. Alright, so that was my first question. And you can see here that it has created a history. Alright, history of this chat that I did with the ChatGPT. Alright, I can either rename it or I can delete it. So for now I'm going to leave it as it is. Okay. Now let me proceed to the second topic where I want to plan a vacation. Okay. So let us create a travel plan. I'm going to go to ChatGPT and here I'll click on new chat. Okay. And let us say I want to travel from one place to one place. So here I will enter what is the distance between Delhi and let us say Jog Falls. Alright. I want to know the distance between Delhi and Jog Falls. So it is a waterfall. So I want to plan my vacation here. It gives me the answer. Okay, let us say that I am in Delhi. So it gives me that the distance between Delhi and Jog Falls is this much. Alright. Now let me proceed the chat with the follow-up question. Is it better to take a train or travel by flight? Okay. Now this is a follow-up question to this. Okay. So it will answer to this. Alright, whether it's better to travel by train or flight between Jog Falls and Delhi largely depends on your personal preference, budget and travel schedule. And it gives me the answer which you can read. I'm not going to read this and bore you. I just want to show you how you can use ChatGPT to get answers. Okay. So this is its answer. Now I want to know the nearest airport. Which is the nearest airport? Jog Falls. Jog Falls. Okay. And then once again, using its AI mind, it is going to answer me. Now you must know that sometimes it will be slow. So there will be a delay. Even though the delay is in seconds, you will be able to notice it. Alright. So the nearest airport to Jog Falls is in Hubli and it gives me the detail of that. Okay. Now I want to ask a follow-up question. What are the things you need to take while traveling to Jog Falls? Alright. So what are the things that you need to take while traveling to Jog Falls? And it will give me the list of items which I need to carry with me to travel to Jog Falls. Alright. So this is how you can keep on asking questions till you get the answer that you want. Alright. So here I have asked how many? 1, 2, 3 and 4 questions on travel planning. Alright. So it is saying that I need to carry sunscreen, hats, insect repellent, water bottle, camera, phone and so on. Okay, cash and credit. Alright. So this was my second question to ChatGPT and you can see that it has created a new chat log. First was about black holes and second was about Delhi to Jog Falls travel plan. Alright. Next, let me proceed to third topic, YouTube name. Let us say that I have created a YouTube channel, but I am stuck at the point of naming the channel. Alright. So let us say that every name that I come up with is already taken. So I want to have new ideas. And this is where I can use ChatGPT. I can ask ChatGPT to suggest me names for my YouTube channel. Alright. So let us do that. Let me go to ChatGPT and click on new chat. So a new chat window appears. And let us say that I have a channel on cooking. Okay, on cooking. So here I will say suggest three names for my YouTube channel on the topic, let us say cooking. All right, so I'll hit enter and ChatGPT suggests me three names. All right, so as I said, if the server is loaded, it will take some time to give you the answer. So I have three names here: Sizzling Kitchen, Cooking Chronicles, and the Culinary Corner. Okay, and now let us say that you do not want these three. You can proceed to ask it once again. Suggest different names. Suggest different names. All right, and once again it will take few seconds to give you the answer. Flavorsome frenzy, kitchen concoctions, and the savory spot. Now once again you are not satisfied with this, and let us say that you want to have names starting from letter let us say T. Okay, and here you can say suggest names starting from letter T. Okay, I'll hit enter and it will take some time to give me the answers. Okay, so I guess it has a lot of load today. All right, so I have three names here and you can go with any of this. All right, so this is how you can get ideas for YouTube channels. Now let me proceed here itself. Now once you create a YouTube channel, you need to have an about section where you write information about your YouTube channel, and to write that you can take the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so here I will say ChatGPT to write an about section. Okay, and let us say this is my channel name. All right, Taste Temptations. Write about section for my YouTube channel named Taste Temptations. Let me copy this entirely. About cooking. Okay, about cooking. All right, and now it will give me the data which I can copy and paste in about section of my YouTube channel. Once again, you can skip few seconds while it is writing the answers. Yeah, so you can see that it is writing the about section details for my YouTube channel. All right, now this is just an idea. You can use the same thing to write about section for your website also. You can use ChatGPT to get the ideas for title for your website also. You can ask it to write the privacy policy also. All right, and contact us also. So all these can be done using ChatGPT. Now this is just a random idea. You can build upon this idea to get anything that you want. Okay, now this is about YouTube channel. Let me proceed further. Let me proceed to the fourth topic where I want to get a recipe which is under 1000 calories. All right, I'm interested in knowing a recipe which is under 1000 calories. So I'll go to ChatGPT and click on new chat, and here I'll say give me a recipe under 1000 calories. All right, and when I hit enter, it will give me a recipe along with instructions to prepare it. All right, so as I said, it takes some time because it has to gather data. Yeah, So now you can see it is giving me the recipe for grilled chicken with quinoa and vegetables, and it is listing out the ingredients, and then next it will give me the instructions to prepare it. Okay, I'm going to wait till it types this. You can skip the video for few seconds. Okay, so 6 points till now. Yeah, this recipe serves 2 and provides approximately 550 calories per serving. All right, now it has given me a recipe for grilled chicken, but let us say I'm vegetarian and I'm interested in a vegetarian recipe. So I'll say give me a vegetarian recipe. Okay, so it will change its recipe to give me a vegetarian recipe. Okay, now you can use this and this data as a blog post too. Okay, or for a blog post too. You can combine this and this in an article under the heading of recipe under 1000 calories and post it to a website which is related to cooking. Okay, if you have, that is what I'm saying. So here it is giving me a recipe of roasted cauliflower and chickpea tacos, and once again it is 240 calories per serving, and this recipe serves 4. Now you can continue this and say give me the serving of 2 people. Okay, serving for 2 people, and you can continue the chat. Alright, so this is how you can get information about a recipe. Okay, next let me proceed to baby names. Let us say that I will be having a baby, or my wife will be having a baby, and I want to name my baby, but I am out of ideas. Alright, so let me use ChatGPT to get baby names. So I'll go to ChatGPT, click on new chat, and here I'll say suggest me 5 baby names starting with, let us say, yes. Okay, letter yes. I want to have baby names starting with letter yes. Okay, and once again you can see there is a delay before it gives me an answer. So Sophia, a Greek name, it is also giving me the meaning of the name. Alright, Sophia, Samuel, Scarlett, Sebastian and Stella. Let us say that I want only girl names. Okay, I want only girl names. Okay, so I do not want Samuel, Sebastian. Let us say she will be having a girl child, and so I want only girl names. So you can see once again there is load time here. Savannah and Serenity, Sienna and so on. Okay, now these are all Christian names. If you are from a different religion, you can enter the religion and filter this too. Okay, if you want names of a different religion, you can enter the prompt here and change this too. Okay, so this is how you can get names of babies. Now what I am teaching you is the concept of ChatGPT, how you can use it. It is not only limited to all these. By knowing all these, you can apply the knowledge to various topics to get different answers. Alright, so when I say baby names, it is not only for baby names. Maybe you are starting a new business and you want to name your shop and you want to get some ideas using ChatGPT. You can do that. Let us say you want to start a hotel. You want to name your hotel. To get some ideas, you can use ChatGPT. So when I say baby names, it is not only for baby names. You can use it for other things too. Okay. Yes. So this is about baby names. So we have covered 5 topics now. Let us proceed with programming now. Okay. Let us create or let us use ChatGPT to write a program to generate Fibonacci series. Okay. So I'll click on new chat and here I'll say write a program to generate series. Okay, Fibonacci series. Yeah. And it will write me a program. See, now it is slow. If you want to have speed, if you want a quick response, you can click on upgrade to plus and pay some money to ChatGPT. So if you pay money to ChatGPT, it will give you answers quickly. Alright. Now, sure, here's a Python program to generate Fibonacci series up to a specified number of terms. So it writes the codes to generate Fibonacci series up to certain term. And now by default it has used Python program. Let us say I do not want Python program here. I want C programming. So I'll say write it in C program. Okay, write it in C program. Let us say I do not want it in Python. I want it in C. So I have said write it in C program. And once again, it takes its time to write the program. Alright. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to write codes for you. Alright. So it has completed the task. It has written the program in C language. And this is how you can use ChatGPT to write programs for you. Okay. Now let me continue this to this topic. Okay. Let us say that you have written a program and it is giving you an error. You have tried hard to find out where the error is, but you have failed or you have been failing. So you can use ChatGPT to find errors in the code for you. Okay. So you can debug a code. So let me go here, let me go to Python program, let me copy this, okay, let me copy this and let me open Notepad, okay, and I have pasted the code. Here I click on new chat, okay, and let me make some error here, let me say elif, okay, instead of elif, I'll say elif, alright. So now I will copy this. So here I will say find the error in the code below, okay, and while holding shift key I will hit enter button. When I do that, the cursor moves to the next line. If you just hit enter, this will be entered into the chat platform without any code. Okay, so hit enter while holding shift key. Now I will paste the code here, okay, code here, and I will hit enter button. So when I hit enter button, it goes to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will analyze the code and tell me where the error is. Okay. Okay, so you can see that it is saying there is a typo in the code in the line this. Okay, it should be elif n is equal to 1 instead of elif. Okay, elif is the correct keyword for else if. Okay, so now you know where the error is. So here instead of elif it should be elif. All right. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to debug a code. All right. Yes. Next, let me proceed to this. Let us say that you have an assignment and the assignment is to write an essay on some person, and here let us assume it is on Elon Musk. You can use ChatGPT to do that. So let me click on new chat and let me use prompt to write an essay. So I'll say write an essay on Elon Musk. Okay, Elon Musk. And when I hit enter, it will give me an article relating to Elon Musk. Now my suggestion is to not use ChatGPT to generate essays or articles. Okay, of course it is an easy way, but only if you practice by writing, your skill of writing will improve. If you use ChatGPT, you will get answer quickly, but your skill will not improve. Alright, so use this as a reference. Try to write your own article using this as a reference. Okay, so here you can see it is giving me an article on Elon Musk. The thing about articles generated by AI is that it can be detected as articles generated by AI by different websites. Okay, there are different websites which can check the article and say whether it is written by humans or AI. And if you copy and paste this in any of those websites, it will scan it and say that it is generated by AI, which is a negative thing. So if you use this, let us say, on your web page as an article, then chances of your website getting penalized are more. Okay, so do not do that. Yes, so you can see it has given me an article on Elon Musk. Okay, now you can ask it to rewrite it in a laid back tone. Okay, and let us say that you want it to be under 500 words. You can say that too, in 500 words. Rewrite it in a laid back tone, easy tone, in 500 words. So it will write this article, rewrite this article once again under 500 words. Okay, so you can see, dude, have you heard of Elon Musk, and so on. You can change the tone of the article too. Now here is a button for stopping this. Okay, you can click on stop generating and you can give next prompt if this prompt was an error. Okay, now let me wait till it writes everything. Okay, so it has given me the article. So here I can say give me 10 sources for the article. Okay, 10 sources for the article. So it will list out 10 sources which you can use as a reference and write an article on your own. Okay, yes, so it has listed out 10 sources. Okay, yes, so this is how you can use ChatGPT to write essays or blog posts for you. Okay, now proceeding further, let us see how we can use ChatGPT to analyze reviews of a location or some product. Okay, now let me go to ChatGPT, click on new chat. I have this ready. Here I have the page corresponding to Bangalore airport opened up. Okay, this is from Google, and here I have reviews of this airport. Okay, reviews of this airport. Now here I'll scroll down and let me click on highest here. Okay, highest. So you can see that many have given their reviews about Bangalore Airport, Kempegoda International Airport. Okay. Now I want to analyze the reviews. So what I'll do is I'll copy everything. So let me copy many reviews here. Let me copy. Let me copy. Yeah. Let me copy. Let me copy till here. Okay. Let me copy till here. The correct procedure is to click on more. Okay. Click on more and then copy, because it will load up entire review. Okay. So I have not done it. So here, yeah, this is my previous code. I have copied it and I have pasted it here. So let me have this as a reference. I'll go to new chat and here I'll enter analyze the reviews below and tell me the summary, or give me the summary. Okay, I'll hit enter while holding shift and I'll paste all this and I'll hit enter button. So it is a lot of data, so it will take some time to analyze and give me the summary of the review. Okay. So you can see that the review suggests that Bangalore International Airport is a clean, well-maintained and spacious airport with world-class facilities. Many reviewers praised and so on. Okay, it has given me a summary of the reviews which I copied and pasted here. So I can refine this. List out 10 good things about the airport based on the reviews. Okay, based on the reviews. Now this is about airport. You can also use ChatGPT to analyze the reviews of a product, let us say on Amazon or Flipkart or any other website of your country. Okay, so you can use the reviews and use ChatGPT to summarize it. So here I'm asking it to list out the 10 good things about the airport based on the reviews given by people. Okay, so here it lists out the 10 things based on all the reviews that are given by 10 people. Okay, so you can see I have 10 points here, and in the same way you can go up. Let me go up quickly and click on lowest. Okay, you can click on lowest and you can copy paste everything and see what is wrong with the airport or a product. If you are analyzing a product, okay, you can list out the 10 bad things, negative things that people are talking about your product or the location. All right, so this is how you can use ChatGPT to summarize reviews. Okay, next, proceeding further for our final topic, which is about writing an email or replying to an email. Okay, let us say that you need to write a thank you email for a job interview that you have got. Okay, you can use ChatGPT to do that for you. So let me go to ChatGPT and click on new chat. All right, here I will say write a thank you email for a job interview. All right, and hit enter. So ChatGPT will give you a basic format which you can use to reply to the email. Okay, yes, so here you can see that it is giving you the layout of the email. Okay, a structure of an email. So here it says dear and in bracket interviewer's name. So what you have to do is replace this with the interviewer's name. I wanted to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude for the opportunity to interview for the job, and here you have to replace this part with the job title and this part with the company's name and so on. Okay, so whatever is in the bracket must be replaced with actual values, and best regards, your name. So after replacing this, you can after copying this to a notepad, and after replacing the values, you can send it to the person that you intend to send. Okay, but before doing that, make sure that you read this properly, because sometimes, as I told you, ChatGPT may make an error, and you don't want to send something with an error to the person who has offered you a job. Correct? So always make sure that you proofread the email before sending it. Okay? Yes. Now next, replying to an email. So let me click on new chat here, and here let me say that let us say that you have received this email. All right, you have received this email from someone. All right, from David. Let us say you are the owner of a restaurant. Okay, restaurant, and you have received this email from David. You can pause the screen and read this. Okay, basically this is a complaint. Now you want to reply to this email, and to reply to the email you can use ChatGPT. Okay, now let me copy this. And here let me say reply to the below email. Okay, email saying that the problem has been taken care of and will not be repeated in the future. Okay, in the future, and I will enter here, and ChatGPT will analyze the email and write a reply email. Okay, yes, you can see that it has written a pretty good reply email saying that the problem has been taken care of and it will not be it will not happen in the future. Okay, so you can see that it has written this. You can read this. If you want to make any changes, you can do that and send this to the person who had sent you the email. Okay, so this is how you can use ChatGPT to reply to any emails that you want. Okay, yes, so we have covered all these topics in this video, and as I mentioned before, it is not only limited to this. You can use ChatGPT for other things too. These are just the basic layout to give you an idea of how to use ChatGPT. Okay, so now go ahead and explore ChatGPT and try most of these things on your own, and try some new things too. And only by trying you will be well versed in this. Okay, yes, so I hope you have understood the things that I have taught in this video. I'll see you in a different video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.